great to be here, you know, it's fantastic. Yes, I'm here. So, it's just been a while, right, that I've been here the last time. Something around like 6 years, 7 years? Yes, I don't know. So some years gone, but I'm very happy to be here tonight and, you know, just to sing for you and to bring you a lot of songs, you know, from the 80s, 90s, from nowadays. So it's a real pleasure for me. And, you know, you heard the very first one was a song which was recorded some years ago, 2 or 3 years ago. And then we jumped back in the 80s, and now we stay in the 80s. Because I wanna sing for you, I wanna sing for you a medley of songs. Songs from Modern Talking, which, you know, I will say, everybody knows. But these songs will never be released as a single. They're just album songs. And please, let me sing for you tonight. I'll sing it. Now we sing it. Come on, everyone!